Good morning, students. All good? Very nice. First, we recall those what we have learnt in our previous class. Okay? I will ask questions and you have to answer them. So, first one is 2 by 3 into 5. Pragya, you tell. बहुत बढ़िया. 10 by 3. Next one is 2 by 3 into 6 by 5. Pratibha, very nice. 4 by 5. Then 1/3 of 33 equal to Rajiv. Very good. 11. Very good, students. Next, we see what is next in our book. So, students, can you say what will happen if we divide a fraction by a whole number? Can anyone? Okay. You can think, but you are thinking that it will be interesting. So let's start. Today we are going to discuss about division of fraction. Okay? See, in the slide there is a circle and I have divided it into two equal halves. What happened? I am dividing it into two halves. So, there is only one whole and it is again divided into two parts. So, 1 divisible by 1 by 2. What will happen? It gave us two parts. When I divide a whole into two equal parts, then it gave us two halves. See, we get two parts while dividing a whole into two equal halves. Okay? Next, see, there are three wholes and I have divided each of them into four parts, four equal parts. What will happen? That means three wholes divisible by divided by 1 by 4. What we get? We get 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal parts. See, what we get? 4, here also 4 and here also 4. So, add these 4 parts. 12 parts. We get 12 parts. बहुत बढ़िया. Next, see. What is reciprocal of a fraction? Okay. Here is an example like 2 by 1. I take 2 by 1. How we can get this fraction? When we change the numerator and denominator of 1 by 2, we can get 2 by 1. Or by inverting 1 by 2, we can get 2 by 1. So, see some fractions and we invert them and then we see what is the multiplication of the fractions. Okay. See, here is first one is 7 into 1 by 7. If we invert 7, we get 1 by 7. How? This is 7, that means 7 by 1. If we invert it, then it will be 1 by 7. And when we multiply it, we get 7 into 1 by 1 into 7. Then the answer will be 1. Okay. Are you getting? Yes, good. Next, see. 1 by 9 into 9. Okay. See, 1 by 9, and by inverting it, we get 9. That means 9 by 1. And multiply it, what we get? We get 1. Okay. Good. Next, there is another example, 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. If we invert 2 by 3, then we get 3 by 2. If we multiply it, then we get 2 by 3, 2 into 3 divided by 3 into 2. What we get? 6 by 6. That means 1. Okay? Yes. Then see, what is a reciprocal of a fraction? The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called the reciprocal of a fraction. That means when we multiply two fractions, then if they give us 1, then they both are called reciprocal of each other. Are you listening? Yes, good. Then we see division of a fraction by a whole number. Okay. So here also the same rule will be acted. That means when we divide a fraction with a whole number, like 3 by 4 divided by 3, we take the reciprocal of 3. 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. 1 by 2 is the 1 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3. Then what we get? 3 by 12. How it is happening? 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 4 into 3. That means 3 by 12. And when we simplify it, we get 1 by 4. Okay. Yes. Next, see another example, 2 by 3 divided by 7. So please tell what is the reciprocal of 7? Rajiv? Yes. Good. It is 1 by 7. Yes. Then see, when we multiply it, 2 by 3 into 1 by 7. What we get? 2 by 21. Okay. Then we move to next example. There is a mixed fraction 2 whole and 1 by 4 divided by 5. Then how can we divide it? First you have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay. So Priyanka, please tell what is the improper fraction of 2 whole and 1 by 4? Yes, it is 9/4. Yes, good. So, see, 9/4 into reciprocal of 5. That means 1/5. Then multiply it. We get 9/12. Next we see division of a fraction by another fraction. Here also same rule. We have to put the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay. So 1/3 into reciprocal of 5/6. What will the reciprocal of 5/6? 1/3 into 6/5. Here also see 1/3 into 6/5. What will happen? 1 into 6 and 3 into 5. Simplify it. What we get? 3. यहाँ पे here will be 2. Then the answer will be 2/5. Are you listening, students? Okay. Very nice, very nice. We get the answer 2/5. See another example, 5/8 divided by 2 whole and 1/2. So first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Then take the reciprocal of the second one, that means reciprocal of 5/2. But we get 5/8 into 2/5. Then see 5 into 2 divided by 8 into 5. Simplify it. What will happen? 5 into 2 by 8 into 5. See, here will be 4 and here will be 1. So we get 1/4. Okay. Yes. So this is the ending of our session, and now we will discuss what we have learnt today. We have seen how to divide two fractions, and first one is when we divide a fraction with a whole number, then we take the multiplication of fraction and the reciprocal of the whole number. Then we see when we divide a whole number by a fraction, then we take the multiplication of the whole number and the reciprocal of the fraction. Then we see when a fraction is divided by a fraction, then the division will be multiplication of fraction and the reciprocal of the second fraction. And then we see what is reciprocal. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocal of each other. Are you getting my point, students? Okay, good. So I have some questions and you have to answer them. It is totally based upon today's class. Okay. First one is 3 is divided by 6/5. Here is the first one is a whole number and the second one is the fraction. What we will do? We have to convert the fraction into the reciprocal of that one. Okay, so tell 3 into what will be the reciprocal of 6 by 5? Yes. Yes, Rohit. Good. 5 by 6. So, simplify it. 3 into 5 by 6. Simplify 2. What will be the answer? 5 by 2. Good. Then see what is the next question. She is asking reciprocal of 4 by 9. Yes, Sapan, you tell. Very nice. Reciprocal of 4 by 9 is 9 by 4. It will be 9 by 4. Good. Next one is 9 into 1 by 9. What will happen? See, here 9 is a number and also it is a fraction. How? Because we can write it 9 by 1. So, 1 by 9 is the reciprocal of 9. When we multiply it, what we get? Priyanka? Good. We get 1. Next. There is another question. 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. Students, you have to do it on the notebook. 1 by 8 into reciprocal of 3 by 4. Yes, Pragya? Good. 4 by 3. Then multiply it 1 into 4 by 8 into 3. Good. Then simplify. What we get? Very nice. 1 by 6. Then see what is the next. Yes. There is 1 by 2 of 3. How can we do it? Yes. Rohitansu, you tell. 1 by 2 of means what? Yes, good. Of means multiplication. 1 by 2 into 3. Then what we get? 3 by 2. Very good, Rohitansu. Yes. So, here we end our class and we will meet in the next class. So, come to class with preparation and complete the exercise from the book. Okay, students? Thank you.